I'm that bag pimp. I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty.
I've tried this so many times. I can't get it right. I mean,
Bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What's happening?
This is my everyday look. I really like to keep it looking light, so I keep my freckles and my moles exposed so that I can look more natural. I use enough products to the point where it's not natural. Stay tuned if you guys want to get this look achieved. I love this stuff. This guy, actually a quick story about it. This guy who works at Ulta, I was just like, you know, I'm desperate. I need a new foundation. My other foundation makes me look too gray, you know, because I have really high yellow high undertones, but I'm brown skin, you know. So give me a foundation that should help me out. You know, and he was just like, girl, I know just what you need. It's a golden deep. It's a deep golden. It's 53G deep golden. And I feel as though this stuff really makes me look colorful, vibrant and stuff instead of just dull and gray, like just trying to cover up the spots, you know. So that's my go-to. I usually get a sponge. It's one of the wedges that you could just get from Walmart for like $2 or something. I prefer it this way because I don't think I can wash my sponges like that often, so that's what I try to do most. Yeah, so I'll just get like a sponge and I'll just spray it like that.
It's been a long time. I never think I was going to see you again.
This way I'm not taking away my features of my freckles. And that's what I feel like is my key. Denisha, don't take them away. Exude them, love them, you know. So a lot of people would probably come to me on this video and probably be like, whoa, you had freckles this whole time? Because I'll just have to be like, yeah. I know, I never, because before I just, you know, didn't care. I know, it looks a little crazy right now. But I have like that yellow undertone, golden undertone, so it really just suits me well. Don't worry about the way it looks right now.
See, you haven't changed. It's good to see you anyway. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. When I think about you, my feelings can't explain. Why after all this time, my heart still feels bad when I look at you.
So now we got that, and I just like to fill in from there. So we'll just fill it in. So we can put that away. And we will take the other side. So if you need to wet it again, you can. Mine is still kind of wet, so your nails are gonna get dirty because you use the other side, you know? But that's what we do for beauty, all right? So, yeah, you just wanna get this under part. Blend it in. Go up the middle. Between your eyebrows, and you want to go and fill it in. So now what you want to do is use the excess of the other side, so just to blend the colors more. You see what it's doing? Isn't that magical? It's just like blends in really beautifully.
Look at you. Memories of love, like no one before. You stay on my mind. Special time. Always so special.
I want to go in with a blush. This can be any blush. I feel like I still haven't found the best blush. I mean, maybe I did. This one's pretty good. I got like some stuff on it, some foundation already on it, so yeah. But it's Tarte in Blissful. Do like that to really get it out. So we want to put it on the sides. I look like I have like an aftershave going on. Like, what's up, y'all? Okay, so almost done. Let's get the last bits on there. Now we want to contour, okay? We want to contour, so I love my opal. It's opal, so I gotta make sure I'm showing you guys. Yep. All right. A little bit right here.
The American dream, you know what I mean. Radio killer, trick beat the track up like gorillas. Yeah, and we a big club. I see you do a thing, you might wanna rap.
Alright, so freckles are still showing, that's great. And with my Shape Tape Tarte. Alright. So I go boom, 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 boom. I look like a chicken, huh? Alright, so I go down like that, go like that, and I go like that, and I go like that.
She was on him, she all up on my thing on her hip. She ATL Popeye, don't know how to act. She left for one song and came right back, grinding on me the rest of the night. My man started mucking me.
Now you want to go in like that. It's kind of like, I don't know. You just do this. So you want to go in around the edges with the makeup too. I'm just blending, okay? Whatever I think I need blended, I blend.
Together.
The just had the leftover darker foundation. So yeah, this stuff is really gold, like golden. So I like to go like this first, and then I'll open it like that. So see, yeah, don't mind this, that's normal, people, you will understand. I like to go back in with my sponge and then just dip it in, and then we will go.
We're miserable apart, but together it's so hard. All I need to know, oh, all I need to know. How come my ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend? My ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend. How come my ex-boyfriend be my next boyfriend? I need to know. Every time we break up, we turn around and we make up.
We'll let it set. So I'm giving you bun vibes, messy bun vibes.
You all will bow down to me. I am your queen. Any one of you who does not apply makeup to contour shall be petted. Do it or you shall.
All right, guys, so we can finally wipe all this off now. So you want a really soft bristled brush, okay? Very soft. So we're just gonna take this all off. I'm gonna go over this a little bit more with some blush. A little bit of eyeshadow. So you can get this at like Walmart, guys, metallics. I really like these colors. Like, they serve its purpose, like, I think. Aren't those pretty? Unless someone else wants to send me some of their, like, expensive products, I'm not really trying to go that route. So I really like Throne right here. Okay. And then I really like Zenith. I don't know these names. So first, I'll go over with Zenith. So I'll go over with Zenith. Close your eye. Leave one open, because you might want to see. So I'll do that once, and then I'll do it twice to get the color to pop. Alright, we'll go Zenith on the other eye now. Okay. 1, 2. Then we'll use Throne. We'll go in with Throne. And we'll just do the outsides. And then we'll bring it in So Throne can go on top of Zenith. All right. So it's really subtle looking. This lipstick is probably from like Rite Aid or CVS or something, anything. So I love using it. It's in Spice 860. I love this Mario Badescu skincare. So it's facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. So I like to use this stuff. I'll shake it a bit and then just go. Ooh, want it, want it. Guys, this is pretty much the finished look, so. Yep, there we go. So now this is the finished look, and I really wanted to strive to tell you guys that my main goal was to keep my freckles. I think that's super important. I used to not like my freckles and moles until I started like really grasping the world of beauty and noticing and realizing that the reason why all these people look so beautiful is because they enhance their features. They don't minimize, demise them. Other than that, you know, your lips, you want it to pop, you want your eyes to pop. I mean, you can even add a little highlighter to make your nose pop even, you know. But yeah, everything is supposed to be maximized, not minimized. That's really important when it comes to makeup and the world of makeup. Okay? So, yeah. Thanks, guys. Please like, please subscribe, please comment. I urge you guys to comment. I really want to see what you guys have to say about all this, or what suggestions you may have. I'm really open to it. I'm excited to learn more about the world of makeup. Yeah, I feel as though I know a good amount as I've been watching videos after videos after videos after videos after videos after videos. And you know, but no one's an expert here, no one's a pro, you know, you always learn new things, new styles, new ways of doing things, so yeah.